when you've got a lot of data, you might just want to see sort of a mini chart just to give you an idea for how a particular row or column is actually doing, rather than a big chart that shows you all the data. Well, that's where Sparklines come in. These are really quick and easy options to do, and let me show you how. So here's my data. Yes, it's completely rubbish, but here's my data, and I'm going to go under the insert menu and look across, and I've got a group called Sparklines, so I can have a line, column, and I've got the win-loss. So the win-loss is only going to be useful if you've got positive and negative. You can see all of my responses, all of my numbers are all positive, so those aren't really going to be much use at this point. To create it, I've got two ways of doing this. I can just click. It doesn't automatically identify the range, so I can then select my range and basically go OK. So that's quick and easy. Alternatively, what I can do is select my data and where I want the sparkline to go. Let's try the other one, so the column. Okay, that's decided not to work for me. Alright, let's cancel that. So let's just select the column option and say I want my location to be there, and you can see it's created there for me. One of the things that's really nice is, yes, I've got some formatting, but let's say I want that across. All I need to do is to click and drag down on the fill handle, and I've quickly got it for every single one. Yeah, I find that quite difficult to read. Let's change those to be the line instead. So just do the same thing, click and drag down, and now you can see that it's all over the place, but it's a pretty little chart, mini chart, created for me so that I can actually see at a glance how my figures are doing. I'm Michelle, your computer trainer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified of new videos for quick and easy ways to do things as they come out, please subscribe and choose your notification.